Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2020 Taycan 4S. What a nice car. It's in Carrara White over a black and beige interior that we'll see in a moment. Nice shape, locally owned. Was up in Denver for a little bit and then came down here. Overall, the body and wheels are in great shape. The only slight blemish that I noticed, is some slight scuffing here on this front passenger side wheel. But this is a brand new edition, and I imagine our people that work on our wheels and that can make that go away. All the rest of them seem to be in pretty good shape. The only other thing I noticed on the front spoiler, a little bit of a scuff here on this passenger side as well. You can see that. Rest of the front air dam or spoiler is nice shape. Show a little bit underneath here, but really nothing much to point out. Let's go inside. Take a look at the back area first. This is set up for two seats back here. We have the storage area in the middle. We do have 4-zone climate control. The screen is blank at the moment, but it is set up for that. Seats. All the bolsters are in good condition here. As it sits, 25,335 miles. Does have sport chrono. It also has Porsche dynamic chassis control, so PDCC, torque vectoring, and rear axle steering. So a couple of really nice performance options. We do have this panoramic roof and glass. So yeah, just a really nice example of a 2020 Taycan 4S. If you have any questions, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number, 719-219-5016. 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.